Hey guys, so welcome to this week's video.
It's the nigga, I will. I said this week, I will. I said this week, I will. I will. I'm against the nigga, I will. I said this week, I will. But I'm take this week, I will. Arch that back, arch that back, arch that back. Let me arch that back, arch that back, arch that back, arch that back. That bitch, that back, a foul.
Today I'm going to be telling y'all how to make a website on Shopify. This will just be the basics. I can't go too much into detail on creative aspects. I can't really teach you how to be creative, but I can teach you the basic steps in which you will need to make a basic website. So we're going to be using Shopify, as I said. Again, I want to say sorry for not posting last week. This was actually supposed to be posted last week, but I literally filmed this like 2 times. No, yeah, 2 times already. This is my 3rd time filming it. And I just didn't know how to work like this setup on my computer. But I think I finally figured it out. So hopefully this goes up tomorrow. But anyways, we're just going to get right into this video. So obviously, I'm going to go to Shopify. 1 second. So we're here in Shopify. If you don't have an account, obviously you would sign up, but I already have an account. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, y'all. So this is what you will go to when you set up your account, or if you log in, if you already have, your website up. You're going to go down to online store, and it's automatically going to take you to themes. This is the main part of designing the website, is the themes, but there's also different sections, as you can see. This is blog post pages. We'll go through all of them. But right now we're going to go through themes. This is my current website right here, but we want to start from a new slate. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a free theme from Shopify. So you're going to pick whichever theme that you would want. Since I already have a couple, I'm just going to go from the ones that I've done. I'm going to go to this boundless one. It says it hasn't been customized yet, so it's a new slate. So we're just going to customize it. I'm going to show you everything that you could do on the themes page of Shopify. So this is what it looks like when you enter the builder. This will show you the home page. Obviously, it's not going to be as clean because I do have my products into my website. It's just automatically going to bring my products up. So if you didn't have anything in here, it would probably just be a stock photo like this one. But this is the home page. If you want to go between pages, you could press up here. You could go to the product page. You could go to collection pages, collection list, blogs, carts. You get it. You could go to any page that you want and customize it with this area on the side. So I'm going to go to the home page because that's the main page that people customize, because it's the landing page is what people see first. So I'm just going to go through and explain every single thing that you could do. So the very first thing that I want to explain is the theme settings. So the theme settings is universal across all pages. When you edit something on the theme settings, it's going to edit the entire website. So if you say, oh, I want my background color to be blue, it's going to change the entire website background color to blue. So yeah, just look out for that. It's not just the page that you're on, it's the entire page. So that's what they call it, the theme. So you have a lot of things that you could change. You could change the footer. You could change the text. Let's say we want to make it red for some reason. You could change that. So you could change button colors. You could make button colors a purple if we wanted to. You could just change whatever you want, This is a great area for you to put your branding. So my colors are purple, blue, and pink. And if you were to open up my website, you'll see that you see purple, blue, and pink. And that's because I set in my settings, in my theme, those specific colors. So this is where you want to do that to brand your website and make sure your brand is cohesive across all different platforms. So, and then you could also change your fonts. They have a whole bunch of different preset fonts that you could choose from, a whole bunch of different ones. So yeah, again, you could change your heading, you could change your body text. So again, choose things that match your brand. If your brand is like girly, make sure you choose like a girly font, like Alfie is pretty girly. If you want a manly type brand, and then you would probably do something like Abril Fat Face. So, just make sure that these types of things are thought about when you're making your website. Anyways, so your cart. This is very self-explanatory. The cart is basically it's not that much. It just shows you, let me add something to our cart really quick so that you could see what I'm talking about. So, this basically just changes this right here. So if you want it to be a page, it'll be like that. If you want it to be a drawer, it'll be like that. So that's all it really changes. It's not that big of a deal. So yeah, that's what that changes. And then you could add your social media. If I were to add my Instagram, it would pop up at the bottom of all the pages. So it doesn't matter what page you're on, it'll pop up. So I'll put my Instagram here. And as you can see, it automatically put the Instagram icon there, and it does it for all of these. If I were to put my YouTube in there, it would do the same thing. So it just depends on, which social media platforms you would like to promote. And they'll be down there. And if a customer clicks on it, it would take them straight to, it can't take it right now, but since my actual website is live, it'll show you. It'll take you straight to these, whatever platform. But when it's not live, it can't do it. So yeah, my internet connection is slow. We're not going to wait for this to load. Just know that it's going to come to my, there it goes. It's coming to my YouTube page. So, and you got also edit your checkout. So if you want to add a background picture for your checkout, I actually haven't edited my checkout on my own website, but if you wanted to, you can. So I'm just going to select these so you could see what it looks like. You could choose the logo. A lot of different things you could change. I'm just going to put the same image for all of it so you could see. It's loading. So yeah, this is what it would look like if you change the background. Obviously, this background doesn't work too well, so you would want to choose a background that actually works. So let's see if I could see one that works. All of these are pretty busy. I don't think I have one that works, but maybe that one or this one. So that would work. So yeah, you could change the background colors. I added the logo right here, and then this one, the background image, is the one right here. So yeah, that's what you could change right here. And then the favicon, this is the thing that comes up when you search a website. So if I were to search, you see how YouTube, it has like this little thing right here. That's what a favicon is. So if I were to search Shop to Mighty, my favicon is just that logo. So if you want a customized favicon, that is where you do that here. And you only need to do that once. You don't need to do it over and over and over. So going back to the home page so we can understand what this part is. This right here is basically the setup of the page. So right now we're on the home page, so this is the setup of the home page. So it tells you right here is the sidebar menu, here's the sidebar menu, the announcement bar, here is the announcement bar, the header, and then the slideshow, there we go. action bar, which is right here. Here's the action bar, and then text, and then it shows that the collection Press on Nails is showing. Here's Press on Nails, and then the newsletter, and then the footer, of course. But yeah, it's just the setup of how you want your page to be like. So if I wanted to add, for some reason, I wanted to add a video, I could add a video. You could add like a whole bunch of different stuff. You could also add custom HTML. So if you know how to code, you could do that. But you get images, you can add collections, you can add blog posts, products, all different types of stuff. So you could add a video, copy and paste the YouTube link if it's a YouTube video, and just drag it if you want it at the top. Just drag it where you need to be. Let's say we were like really wanting to promote some type of product. So, a product just dropped and we really want to stress, people buying it. So let's choose a product. I'm going to choose one of our distressed tops. So let's just say I just released this product and I really want to promote it. I'm going to bring that all the way to the top, just so that people see it. Like the first thing they see is this top because I really want to promote it. Or if another way to promote some products are to go to the slideshow. So you're going to go to your slideshow and you're going to choose a couple images. So here's my distressed top images. So let's say I chose this image. I'm going to name the image distressed tops, and then I want my button to say shop now. So that's what I would do, and then I would go to the specific products. I'm gonna just do the one we did because I don't really care. And this is what it would look like. It'll say distressed tops and shop now, and if you press the shop now button, it'll take you directly to that product or products, whatever you decided. So yeah, this is what's happening now on this side. That's basically all that goes right here. If you want to do some type of announcement, I do a lot of announcements on my page, to announce a sale. Right now I'm having a sunglasses sale. So if I wanted to say, sunglasses sale, click here to shop, and have the link to my sunglasses collection. That's what it would be. And then if someone clicks there, it would take them straight to the sunglasses. Also, all sunglasses are $5, y'all. $5. They used to be $15, but I'm trying to get into fall stuff, so I'm making all of my summer stuff on sale. So, yeah, that's basically this page. It's honestly it's trial and error. It really takes a while. I think it took me like 2 months or a month to fully develop my website as it is now, and it still needs work. It's not the best. So, yeah. That's this here. So down here, if you were like a blogger, this is where you make your blog posts. Here you make pages. Pages are slightly different from blogs. Pages are, let's say you wanted to make like an About Us page, or you wanted to make, like I have a nail sizing page, FAQ page, like a shipping page, things like that. That's what a page is. A blog is more so like, you blog every day type thing. Pages don't really change. Pages are what you put in the navigation. So as you can see on my websites, I have this bar right here, and it says home, shop, accessories, clothing, press on nails, sale, and FAQ and policies. So the FAQ and policies is a page that I made, and then I just inserted it into my navigation, which is right here. So here is my navigation, and this is where you add specific things. So let's say if you had an About Us page, you would add a menu and you would name it About Us, you would link it to the page in which you made that said about us. I don't have that, so it's not there, but you would link it, and then you would press save. And then it would be down there. And if you wanted to move it, you can move it up, you can move it down, things like that. Also, I think it's very good to have like sections for your products. I have a shop where you could shop all, you could shop new, you could shop on sale, and I also have like specific product categories. So I have accessories, and under accessories I have anklets, hair accessories, necklaces, and then clothing. I have tops, bottoms, press-on nails, basic, and luxury. So again, it's all just what you it all depends on what you want to do. It's not like a set, you need this, you need that. It's honestly up to you. So you also have domains right here. My domain is shop2mighty.com. You could have more than one domain. So, you know, if I wanted to also have a 2mighty.com as my domain, I could buy that domain and have two domains. So if people were to enter 2mighty.com or shop2mighty.com, it doesn't matter. It'll take them to my site. Here it will tell you all of the domains you have. So if I, for some reason, wanted to go back to 2mighty.shopify.com, I could right here. So this is this page, and then under preferences, this is the description of your website. So if you were to search 2mighty in Google, this description right here is what I entered right here. So that's basically what that is. If you want a description, this is very good for people who like just search on Google for things they want. Like let's say they're searching like stacked pants, distressed top, things like that. Since I have this description, Google will bring me higher up into the search bars. So the social sharing image preview is what people see when they share your link on a social media site. So a couple days ago, when I was filming this for the first time, I tweeted out my link just so y'all could see what I was talking about. So let me go find that. So I just found another one because I couldn't find the one that I just tweeted. But this is basically this image right here is what you will put right here. So obviously I put my logo, and you could put your logo too. So that's basically what that is. Right here is Google Analytics. Yeah, that's basically all I could do on this page. This is basically the basics of building a website. Up here you do products. So if you want a video on how to do products, I'll do that. But this is basically, again, the basics of how to do a website. It's not cut and dry. You can't just say, oh, I want it to look like this, so how do I get it to look like this? You can't really do that. It's more so like trial and error, which is why a lot of people hire website designers. I too do website design, shameless self-promo. So if you are interested in, making a website, and you want your website to look more professional, and you don't want to like deal with the hassle of having to do your website, again, you could do it by yourself. Doing a website, you can really do it by yourself, but I know people still ask me, like, to this day about vendor lists when I really made a video saying you don't need a vendor list. So I do make websites, and I am making a vendor list very soon for the people that are asking. But yeah, I do make websites. Check out my graphics Instagram at @AleaGraphics_. My prices are very affordable. It ranges from $25 to $150, basically depending on what you want. If the basics of your website is already set up, it'll probably lean more towards $25. If you need a whole entire website design, it'll probably lean more towards $150. So yeah, my website for that isn't up yet. It'll be up this month though, so it may be up by the time you're watching this. Just click the link down below to see. It's always linked down below even though it's not up yet. But yeah, check me out at @AleaGraphics_. Check 2mighty out at 2mighty_. Follow me at SizzleAleah, and I will see you in my next video.
Sayonara.